Come with me to the best tire shop in town, located in Southeast Houston, Texas. Alex's Tire Service has been open since 1986. These guys are open 7 days a week, from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. These guys have amazing customer service. They're fast, friendly, and have great prices. They offer new and used tires. They fix flats, they change brake pads, they check and replace tire sensors, balance tires, repair cracked and bent rims, and they also do powder coating for your rims. These guys have excellent reviews on Google. Come and check them out for your tire and wheel needs. They are only 7 minutes away from Hobby Airport and 2 minutes away from 45 South on Belford and Howard.